Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, thank you very much. You've been a fantastic audience. I'd firstly like to say thank you to our pipers here from the Royal Scots Dragoon Guards. They've been fantastic. I'd like to say thank you to our bandmaster, WO2 Faye Snowden. Also fantastic. I noticed she picked the better drum. And I'd also like to say thank you very much to our assistant band sergeant major this evening. Our band sergeant major's not here, she's on a course. So you've got Colour Sergeant Billy Beaumont, who's been running the show, keeping us all together and in the right place. So thank you very much, Billy. Stand up. And one final thank you. Thank you to the men and women behind me. They are fantastic, very hardworking and very talented. And they have just been excellent tonight. I'm sure you'd agree. So thank you. We'll finish in the traditional manner with the Regimental Marches of the Royal Regiment of Scotland.